be here. I'm a local parent, and I'm looking forward to interacting with all the girls more this year. And also, if you need anything, this is my husband, Mike. We're 10-15 minutes down the road, and you can always call us. And
15 for you, 10 for Mike?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm also going to be, we're going to roll out, that wasn't me, it was something off the chair. There's a GroupMe app that I will be sending information. Everybody can, if you're interested, upload it on your phone. It's good on any type of phone. And I'm going to be setting up distributions. There'll be a U16, a U19, and an all-parent distribution. And this will be used for all types of communication, but one of them will be, there'll be someone assigned, a volunteer at a game or a tournament, and they will be giving game updates on this app. So if you're unable to be there, it'll be a great way to get updates, and we won't have all those individual texts and not knowing who's at the game and who's not, and everyone will be on there. If you choose not to be on it, you can opt out of the app, but I think it'll be a great way for everybody to communicate to each other, and if people are here or there, we'll send out a note, and whoever's in that area can show up and join the other parent group. And Brent also rolled out the information that we're going to meet out tonight if anybody's in town with nothing to do after we leave here. We're going to be at Shamrock Jacks, and we'd love to see everybody. Okay? Welcome.
Some final comments before we move outside for the barbecue. One thing as a coaching staff and an administration that we do recognize is that these next few days and few weeks for some of you as families, leaving your daughters in a new place can be extremely challenging. A lot of our rollout for us in the next few weeks, a lot of things we do is with that in mind. We understand that there's going to be some players who are homesick. There's going to be some players who are going to take a little while to adjust to the new environment. You can trust that you can reach out to any of our coaching staff members to ask for help in anything that we can do, whether it's conversations, checking in on your daughters, any of those types of things we're happy to do. You'll notice that in terms of medical appointments, things that our players need in the community, that we are, without question, a full service program in terms of making sure those things happen, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now, the girls know that I love drawing lines between things that, they're spectrums, things that can happen. And today we were over here a lot because this is the nature of this meeting. In these meetings you talk about rules, you talk about structure, you talk about foundation. I have such a good feeling, with the exception of the fire alarm. I have such a good feeling from today's move-in, in terms of the atmosphere, in terms of the energy, that this year is going to be incredible. That the conversation today about this stuff over here, it can remain there the whole year. We don't ever have to activate that if we don't want to. This can be a lot of fun. Not only players, coaches, administrators, parents as well. And that's the plan. That's a big reason why you're all here. And that starts right now with the barbecue. I'm excited to get out there for you guys to see and talk to and try out some of the new food and the new food service. That was a big result of your feedback. It was a big result of your feedback, and that's why I say there's an open door. Reach out if you have comments. They do get generated in results. Our intent, and people who know me, is to do things the right way. Some of you thought maybe in the last 12 months that it was my way, that I'm doing things selfishly. Not the case. It's the right way. How can we do this thing the right way? What is the right food service program for our program? And I think we're on the right start with that. So again, any feedback you have in terms of that stuff, let me know. But we're excited to get started. Tomorrow, I know some of you may have received my email at 1:15 this morning. We believe in having our families around as much as possible. We have our itineraries almost ready for Stony Creek. I'm going to go through those, and I want to make sure that it's very clear when the time to spend with your daughters is and when not, and I can tell you it's usually in abundance. We're going to work in some more team meetings this year. We have a video software contract now where we have some breakdown software. We're going to try to utilize that a little bit more in weekend. And we're going to try to maintain a balance of team bonding, but also family time, because we know people are coming from afar. And trust me when I say we stick to that. We stuck to that at states, we stuck to that at nationals, we stick to that. The rewards our players get from being around their parents and families always generates better results on the ice than if it was the reverse. So all you have to do is ask. If there's some special circumstance, just ask us, and we're always willing to help out with that. Any final questions before we move outside?
Is Sydney done mopping?
I'm very glad you said that and asked that, because my final comment may generate the greatest celebration reaction compared to the Wheel of Misfortune last year. And I'm going to drop it on you right now. I'm going to drop it on you right now. Moving forward, you guys don't have to do dishes. There will be some pros and cons to that we'll explain later. But when you make an agreement with a professional food service company, that space becomes theirs. For right or for wrong, that space is now theirs. And we need to move forward managing that. But I'm going to tell you, from going through it with them, it's going to be an incredibly positive thing for you guys, because I know that was the hardest dorm duty we had through the whole year. On that note, we're glad everyone's here. Let's have fun tonight.